Alright, I'm gonna explain the essentials of the basics of the central monitor. So basically, the multi-block is pretty simple. It's just an energy hatch, the actual multi-block itself, then solid steel machine casings around the outsides, and you fill the insides of it with monitor screens. All this stuff's pretty easy to craft, but you gotta have HV circuits for it. And to change the height of the central monitor, you go into the interface itself before the multi-block forms, and you can change it really easily like that. And then this side also gets lined with solid steel machine casing, and then that forms the multi-block. And then to link stuff to the central monitor itself, you use this wireless digital interface, and there's a wired version of it. It's just kind of shit. Yeah, so you shift right click onto it, and that links it to the central. That links the interface to the central monitor, and then you can go over to things like your battery buffer or your power generation. Link it to that, or you can link it to super chests or super tanks, things like that, and then you just it can display what's ever in there. And then to actually make that stuff show up on the central monitor, you go into it, and then you select this, and say it's a fluid, then you do fluid mode. If it's an item mode. If you're trying to see how much energy is going inside and out of a machine, then you click energy mode, and then machine mode shows how far something's processing. So you can do something like this if you want to show how much energy is going in and out of the energy buffer every like second. I think it checks it. And then you can also show machine processing like this. Shows how far machines process. And then if you want to see an item, then you click item mode and it shows it here. And you just, if you want to change the size of it, you click scale. And yeah, that's basically the basics of it.